This is a high-tech CO₂ aquarium. Not because it is difficult, but because it uses technology to unlock the full potential of underwater plants. Faster growth, brighter colors, dense, lush carpets that low-tech setups cannot achieve. Let me show you what that means, what you need, and how to build it. The basics. In a high-tech tank, you inject carbon dioxide gas directly into the water. Plants use CO₂ to photosynthesize. With more CO₂, you can run stronger lights. With stronger lights, plants grow faster and more compact. Red plants stay red. Carpet plants spread without melting. But balance is critical. Too much CO₂ harms fish. Too much light without CO₂ causes algae. A high-tech system works as a trio: CO₂ injection plus bright light plus consistent fertilization. Miss one piece and the tank struggles. Materials you will need. Look at the equipment in front of you. First, a pressurized CO₂ system. This includes a refillable cylinder, a regulator with a solenoid valve, a bubble counter, and a diffuser, either a ceramic disc or an inline reactor. Second, a high-output LED light. Adjustable intensity is best. You will run it at 70 to 100% for 6 to 8 hours. Third, an active aquasoil, not inert gravel. Aquasoil buffers pH and provides nutrients. 2 to 3 inches deep, sloped upward toward the back. Fourth, plants. Choose fast-growing stem plants like Rotala, Ludwigia, and Hygrophila. Carpet plants like Monte Carlo, dwarf hairgrass, or Cuba. And epiphytes like Bucephalandra and Anubias. Fifth, a canister filter. High flow but gentle return. The filter moves water past the diffuser, so CO₂ reaches every corner. Sixth, liquid fertilizers. Macro, nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium. Micro, iron, manganese, trace elements. You dose these daily or every other day. Seventh, a drop checker. This small glass device shows you CO₂ levels through a blue, green, yellow color scale. Aim for light green.
Installation method, step by step. Step 1. Rinse the aquasoil gently. Do not crush it. Pour it into the empty tank. Level the front to 2 inches, slope the back to 3 or 4 inches. Step 2. Hardscape. Arrange driftwood and rocks before planting. This gives structure. Leave open areas for carpet plants. Step 3. Plant heavily. Use tweezers. Break carpet plants into small clumps and push them into the soil. Plant stem plants in groups. Attach epiphytes to hardscape with glue or thread. Fill at least 70% of the substrate with plants from day 1. Step 4. Install the CO₂ system. Attach the regulator to the cylinder. Connect the bubble counter and tubing to the diffuser. Place the diffuser low in the tank, near the filter intake or outlet. Set the solenoid to turn on 1 hour before lights on and off 1 hour before lights off. Step 5. Fill the tank. Place a plastic bag on the soil. Pour water slowly onto the bag. Fill completely. Step 6. Install the filter and heater. Run the filter. Set the heater to 74 to 78 degrees Fahrenheit. Turn on the CO₂. Adjust the bubble counter to 1 bubble per second for a small tank, 2 to 3 for a larger tank. Watch the drop checker. Light green is perfect. Yellow means too much, blue means too little. Step 7. Lighting and fertilization. Turn on the light for 6 hours initially. Dose liquid fertilizers according to the bottle's instructions, but start at half strength for the first week. Increase slowly. What happens next? In the first week, you may see melting leaves. That is plants adapting. Do not panic. In week 2, new growth appears. In week 3, carpet plants send out runners. In week 4, you trim and replant. The tank becomes a dense, colorful jungle. You test pH and CO₂ daily at first. You clean the diffuser every month. You change 30 to 50% water every week. High-tech demands attention, but the reward is an aquarium that looks like a nature photographer's dream. Pause. Same room, same window light. But now, pressurized CO₂ hisses softly. Bubbles stream from the diffuser like liquid diamonds. Plants purr, tiny oxygen bubbles rising from every leaf. High-tech CO₂ aquarium. More work, yes, but the result is a living masterpiece.